Ultimate checklist: long-distance winter moves from cold states to Miami. Moving from snow to sunshine without surprises. A well-structured winter interstate moving checklist turns a potentially stressful move into a controlled, predictable process, especially if your destination is warm and humid Miami. Packing strategy for cold weather long-distance moving. Compared to DIY packing, professional winter packing services in Miami reduce damage risk by using insulated materials, moisture barriers, and climate-aware packing sequences. Why Best Miami Movers are built for winter moves. Best Miami Movers specialize in winter moving logistics from snowy states. Data-driven route planning and early coordination help reduce delays, damage, and unexpected costs. A strategic winter moving checklist for long-distance relocation isn't just helpful, it's essential. By combining weather-aware planning, proper packing, professional logistics, and flexible storage, your move from a cold state to Miami becomes predictable and secure. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.